Hello everyone. Today is World Refugee Day 2022 and we all are global citizens and we all are united and we are all are together towards our all refugees around the globe from Ukraine, from Afghanistan and from Rohingya Muslims everywhere around the globe wherever this refugee crisis has come. We now as humans, as a global citizens, we need to be united and consider it is a global tragedy, like earthquake, like a natural disaster. So I request to United Nations and all the big powers and big countries to be united and take it as a global issue and global disaster, like we humans are. So that every country will made a insurance or fund. So whenever as we all lives in a global village, so we are all work for the humanity. So we have to be take care of our planet. And if in our planet, if one species or one human or one plant is in danger, we have to work for it. Likewise, this refugee crisis is considering to be day by day increasing. Recently, after Ukraine-Russia conflict, this war happened, and due to this, the Ukraine innocent children, people, women have to force by pressurizing due to the conflict of their government policies. They have to be pushed towards this Poland and other countries nearby. So we need to awake and need to learn from our history and work for the humanity and be united. And considering now the politicians, everything is considered to be less as global agencies, and these IGOs, NGOs have more power due to globalization. So we all have to be work together for our people. Do respect refugees. This is a message from Pakistan. Goodbye from my side. Stay blessed. Bye.